when my father shot the Bigfoot in 1953, they had to cut them up to get them out of the swamp. They were too big, so they started cutting them up. This is one of the body parts. It's a hand from a young Bigfoot. And I want to be perfectly clear, this is a science documentary, and if you have a squeamish stomach, you might want to turn the camera off right now, okay? I want to be perfectly clear. I don't want to freak anybody out. If I was going to make a cooking video making goat's head soup, I would have a goat's head, right? Would that be a problem for you? If it would, turn this off. Now, we're not going to cook this item. This is a Bigfoot hand, but it has some properties, the Bigfoot does, that other animals on this planet do not, and I'm talking in regards to the hands and feet. Now, the hands and feet have more of this property than other parts of the body, but the whole body does. And my father talked about this, was that when they had two boats. They had one that was wooden, one that was metal. They said when they put it in the metal boat, it was harder to move the body parts, that they seemed like they weighed more. So this is going to be shocking. So I'm going to show you the hand right now, okay? And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Please turn off this video if you're squeamish, okay? So this is a hand of a young juvenile Bigfoot. It's been frozen. I took it out of the freezer. You can see the hand clearly. Still has congealed frozen blood on it. Notice the fingernails. I don't know if you can tell, but they're translucent like a human's. See the skin, the palm. Look at the dermal ridges. It's totally real. I'm president of the Bigfoot community because I wouldn't lie to you. This is real. These are real, and I do think that they are alien in origin. Now I'm gonna show you why it doesn't make any sense to me. And when my father talked about this, it didn't make any sense. So watch this. This is a demonstration. Like I said, this is a science documentary. Now for this demonstration, I have a shovel. This is just a normal shovel, right? And I have the Bigfoot hand. Watch this. It's magnetic. And so is its feet. But in general, the whole body is magnetic, but nothing like the hands and feet are very magnetic. So I can almost stand it. See what I'm saying? Here's a knife. This is just a knife I used to cut up chicken. How is this possible? How is this possible? It's the strangest thing I've ever seen. When my father talked about this, I was like, really? It's like a giant magnet. And he said, yeah, but we're not sure if this happened after we cut it up or it's like this before. But watch this. It's not done with glue or Velcro. How do you explain this? It's my belief that the Bigfoot is it's, let me make sure it's in the light so everybody can see this is real. It's my belief that the Bigfoot is an alien to this planet. Why else would it have, like, there's no other animal on this planet that has this ability. It's got magnetic hands and feet, and the whole body's sort of magnetic. This is real. It's totally real. Let me show you one more time. I know, this makes it even more hard to believe. I understand that, and I understand that people don't believe me for some reason, but I'm telling you the truth. That's why these are all stored away from my house, and you know, the government is never going to get involved in this. It's heavy. It's real heavy. It's heavy. How heavy is it? I'm not sure. But I can pick it up, but it is heavy. Look at its fingernails. Can you see its fingernails? I mean, you would, listen, I'm not going to say you'd have to be an idiot to think that this isn't real. But you would. It's completely real. It's got congealed, frozen blood on it. Now I'm going to go put this thing up. I want to show this one more time. Just one more time. I'm not making this up. Do I look like a magician? No, I'm not. Explain this. Explain that. Explain that. I can't. Is it an alien? Is Bigfoot an alien? That's what I think. And I'm president of the Bigfoot community. I would know. I'm telling you all right now, we are not alone. They're coming to this planet. They've been coming here for a long time. Wake up, people. Bigfoot's out there, and so are the aliens, and we are not alone. We are not alone. It's completely real. How could you not think that this is real? Bigfoot is real. Sasquatch is real. This is real.